I just opened my Etsy account and I recorded the whole process so I could bring it to you guys here. So if you've always wanted to open an Etsy account and you think that it might be a lot involved, keep watching. And don't forget, I have a PDF that I'm going to pin in the comment. Make sure you grab that on some tips when you're opening an Etsy account that a lot of people sometimes forget about. So let's go to the computer. All right, so I just created an account. You sign up for Etsy. You're gonna go here and sign up for Etsy with your Gmail account. See where it says Sabrina right there? When you click this button here, you're going to hit sell on Etsy. Millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store. We're gonna say get started. So to set up an Etsy shop is 15 bucks. Let's do it. So what brings you to Etsy? I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. So we're gonna hit next. We're gonna hit next. We'll walk you through creating your shop and filling it with items. Start your shop. English, United States. Currency is United States. Save and continue. Enter your shop name. So my shop name is going to be called Afro Queen Design. Save and continue. Between 4 and 20. No special characters. Oh, okay. No special characters or space or accent letters. So you just put everything all at once. Afro Queen Design. No, look like Afro Queen Design is already taken. No, say it ain't so. Someone done got my name. Afro Queen Design, Afro Queen Store, Afro Queen Goods. Bummer. All right, we're gonna go with the Afro Queen Design art. All right, we're gonna hit save and continue. This is gonna be wall art, art collection, digital print. Yep, that's me. Who made it? I made it. I did. What is it? A finished product. When was it made? A couple of days ago. This year. How is this digital content created? Created by me with an AI generator. Yep. With an AI generator. Then you're going to hit save and continue. Now, on the top here, it says add more, add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. Okay, ChatGPT helped me create this listing. And let me say this to you guys. I'm in this community called DCT. And in this community, they generate custom GPTs to help you do a lot of different things. So I have access to these GPTs that help you to list product on Etsy. So that's another resource that I want to drop for you guys here in this video. That in this community DCT, I promote them a lot, I talk about them a lot, and you need to gain access into it because they have some really great tools that you can use for your side hustle, especially if you're in the digital download space. Okay, so this is just a push button GPT. I just put the product in there. I uploaded the artwork that I want to sell, and it just created this listing for me with SEO and all this other stuff. Okay, so let's go into this. So it says add up to 10 photos and 1 video. That's my image right here. And then I created a video. So this is the video I created of my mock-up. Isn't it pretty? All created by AI. I love that. That's so pretty. Okay, so I have uploaded all 10 images and a video. Now I'm going to upload the file. 1 file. You can put up to 5 files uploaded on your Etsy shop. So I'm uploading my JPEG file here, which is 1 file. Now I'm going back over to ChatGPT and grabbing all my description and just drag and drop. It's just copy and paste. This GPT is amazing, guys. Let me tell you, DCT is the business. So you drag and drop it. I'm going down here. Now you have to put your price in. I'm going to make it $5.99 for now. And as you can see, my profit, if I sell something, I get $4.97. Etsy take the rest. The quantity, you could put as much as $9.99, 1,000. Now it's asking you for the primary colors. How big is your product, which is 24 by 36. It's in inches. It's vertical. It's asking you for tags. You have up to 13 tags. So you put all your tags in. You can add shop section, meaning like as you add more products into your store, you can put them in by section. So that's what the shop section means. Then you're going to turn that on to feature your listing. You can automatically renew your listing every 3 months, or you can do it manually. After 3 months, you can choose to not list it anymore, but I'm going to leave automatic. You hit save and continue. In this section, you're going to have to share some personal information. Be prepared to share your driver's license. They're going to initiate that you take a front picture of the driver's license and the back. Also be prepared. They're going to want you to take a selfie of yourself. I did it like 4 times before they said, okay, you're cleared. You're going to have to share your billing information. And then there's some shop security settings that you have to set up for your shop. So let's go over and check out my shop. So guys, this is what my shop looked like. Afro Queen Design Art. Now looking back, I should have called it Afro Queen Design Shop. But, you know, you have to think your name through when you're opening an Etsy shop. But this is what mine is now, and it's okay. Sometimes it's not even about the name of the shop. It's about the value and the quality products that you have in the shop. So I have 12 listing up. My account, my Etsy shop, I think I'm on my 2nd week. So this is my first product that I walk you guys through that I put up. I'm calling this one of my best seller. This is my masterpiece. I love this image. I actually have this in my home and I'm selling it for 20 bucks. And I have a 60% sale running for Black Friday, which ends, I think, on the 4th of December. I don't know when I'm gonna put this video up, but this is it here. These are all the mock-ups that I have for the image. Hey, yep, isn't it cute? Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to show you how I did all the mock-ups in Canva. I'm willing to do that. And all this image here, I got it off ChatGPT and dropped these image in here. This is telling people that it's a digital download. They're not actually getting physical products. And yeah, this is it. Please write in the comments and let me know if this video was of any help. Check out my Etsy shop, guys. If you are into digital download space and you want to learn everything about AI, anything at all about AI, this community called DCT, it's the place to be. I'll drop it in a comment for you guys if you want to check them out. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. On this channel, I talk everything about side hustles and different ways how you can side hustle your way out of your 9 to 5. All right, see you in the next video. Peace out.